on the back.
Hello good people, welcome to my channel. Today we are installing Spanish braids. This is actually the second time installing these braids, but today is a bit different, the way of styling and installing. But before we begin, we need to do cornrows. So this is how my hair looked. I recorded this before the installation so that you can all understand where we are coming from. So first thing first, we're going to use the Angel's long Spanish bulk, and the color is dirty. Now to the cornrows. So today I'm not doing blow dry because I recently learned that frequent blow dries are damaging to the natural hair, and I don't want that. I already did 2 cornrows behind the camera so that my video is not that long. You all know I don't like long videos. Maintaining natural hair, by the way, is no joke. I began so well, but here is where I am at. So here I'm done with the front part. Now to the back side. And within a nick of time, I was done. Because the back side is a different style altogether. And I wanted to spend the least time doing this because I was heading somewhere. Not perfect because my hair needed some blow dry, which I refused to comply. But it's quite fine as it is. You don't have to be the perfectionist. So the Spanish bulk, you already know we are going for color 30 by now. At this point, you all know my scalp can get really dry. So let's quickly oil it a bit using the Mega Growth Oil. And some more. I love using thin strands of Spanish braids because it looks completely different when the strands are thick. So we begin by filling the front side as usual because I personally prefer this way better and I feel it's a bit convenient. So I usually tie the knot twice to ensure it's tight enough to last even with the combing. It needs a lot of combing to straighten it as days goes by. And this has actually proven to be the best way. You actually don't have to start from the very edge because you can always add to the spaces as you proceed. For me, what matters is progress. Like I need to see myself making progress as I continue with the braiding. But you can choose whatever you want, whatever is comfortable with you. Like there's no manual. So heat's coming through. That's why I start with the front side to, to like see the progress bit by bit. I love how it's so lightweight, like it can easily go with the wind. Like it's so featherly, let me say that. Alright, let us proceed. Okay, we can pause a bit before we finalize. As I said, you do not have to start from the very edge. You can feel the parts at the end as you finalize. We are almost there. Now I need to fill the spaces. I don't know if I said I was attending an event today at KNT. So I refilled the parts fully the next day, but even as it looks, we're good to go. And you need to trim those edges to have it on the same length. That is when you're done with the braiding. And spray it for final refining. The spray is very important. So my loves, this is it for today. Check out my other Spanish braids video. Yes, you, please do. And this was the final look, guys. Subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up, and until next time, bye bye.